In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct pronunciation in Elevenlabs. If you've ever generated audio in Elevenlabs and noticed that a word is being said incorrectly, don't worry. Here is a built-in tool that lets you adjust how specific words are pronounced so your final voice output sounds much more natural and accurate. This is especially useful for brand names, uncommon terms, technical vocabulary, or names that the AI may not say the way you want. To get started, open Elevenlabs. Once you are inside the platform, look over to the left side of the screen and go to Studio. This is where you'll find your voice projects and editing tools. Inside Studio, open the project where you want to fix the pronunciation. Make sure you are in the correct project before making any changes, since the pronunciation settings you create will be used when you regenerate the audio from that project. Next, click the Open Pronunciations Editor button. This is the tool that allows you to create custom pronunciation rules. If a word has been giving you trouble, this is where you will tell Elevenlabs exactly how it should be spoken. Under Dictionary, click the drop-down menu and select Create New Dictionary. Creating a dictionary helps you organize your pronunciation rules, especially if you plan to fix multiple words over time. It also makes it easier to reuse those rules later if needed. Now, under Rule, enter the word you are trying to fix. After that, define its pronunciation using one of the available methods. You can use word substitution, also called aliases, if replacing the word with a simpler spelling will guide the pronunciation correctly. Or you can use phonetic alphabets such as CMU or IPA for more precise control. Elevenlabs generally recommends CMU phonemes because they tend to give the most consistent and predictable results on the platform. Then set the output to the corrected spoken form of the word. This tells Elevenlabs what pronunciation to use whenever that word appears. Once everything looks right, click Save. After saving the rule, regenerate your audio, so the new pronunciation settings are applied. This part is important because the change won't take effect in previously generated audio until you render it again. If the pronunciation still isn't perfect, try adjusting the rule slightly and regenerate once more. Small changes can make a big difference, especially when working with phonetic spelling. That's how to correct pronunciation in Elevenlabs quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching.